Are you ready to break through? Build the business of your dreams. Create impact and get really visible. Are you ready to let go of what's holding you back? Then sail away and join me on the magical Isle of Wight. It's here you're going to be free of day-to-day distractions, free to open your mind to new opportunities and the new possibilities that I can show you. And it's here you'll get what you need to transform your business and gain the confidence to put yourself out there. There's going to be challenges, but a lot of fun too. So come and join me at this amazing Garden Isle Hotel and celebrate your road to success.